Hello, my friends. My name is Ellen. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen and the 5th episode of Ellen's Fall Baking Series 2024. Are y'all a fan of cinnamon rolls? Well, I've got a treat for y'all. We're going to make some, but a quick bread version. That's right, sugar. So today I'm going to share with all of y'all a cinnamon roll bread. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious. It's going to be loaded with cinnamon sugar, and we're going to top it with a cream cheese glaze. How yummy does that sound? Everybody's going to love and enjoy this. Also, the holidays are coming up soon. This will make a great gift to give to your loved ones. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. Also, check out my previous video, Hot Corn Dip. I'll post the link to that down below in the description box. So grab your loaf pan, your cinnamon sugar, and your cream cheese sugar, because we're about to bake some cinnamon roll bread magic in my Southern Kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, the first step we're going to do is make our cinnamon sugar filling. In my small bowl, we're going to add in a half a cup of packed light brown sugar and 2½ teaspoons of ground cinnamon. Stir until well combined. Alrighty, and just that quickly, our cinnamon sugar filling is complete. Now we're going to set this aside while we make our bread. We're going to start with the dry ingredients first. We need 2 cups of all-purpose flour. So we're going to use my 1 cup measurement. We're going to fluff it up and level it off. And voila, perfect cup. And we're going to pour it into my large bowl. Now we need 1 more cup. Again, fluff it up and level it off. And another perfect cup. And into our flour, we're going to add in 1 cup of white sugar. Now we're going to add in our leavenings, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and ½ teaspoon of table salt. And we're going to whisk these dry ingredients together until they're well incorporated. We're going to make a well in the center. Now we're going to add in the wet ingredients. 1 cup of buttermilk. You can use homemade or store-bought. I'll post a link to my homemade buttermilk recipe down below in the description box. Now we're going to add in 1 teaspoon, which is a cupful of pure vanilla extract. Next, we're going to add in 1 extra large egg. And last but not least, 1/4 cup of cinnamon flavored applesauce. Going to make the bread super moist. And we're going to stir the wet ingredients until they're well blended. Now we're going to gradually add the flour mixture into the well and stir it in gently until everything is well combined, and be careful not to overmix. Alright, my friends, this is what the batter looks like. Nice and whipped. That looks great. Now we are ready to pour it into our loaf pan. We're going to pour it in the 8x4 by 2 inch loaf pan, and I sprayed it generously with baking spray. So we're going to pour 1/3 of the batter in. And we're going to shake it to make it even. Now we're going to sprinkle on 1/3 of the brown sugar cinnamon mixture, like so. And if you want, you can add in some walnuts or pecans or raisins, whatever your heart desire. Now another 1/3 of the batter. Now another 1/3 of the brown sugar cinnamon. We're basically making layers. And the last 1/3 of the batter. And the last 1/3 of the brown sugar cinnamon. So now we're going to take a knife and gently run it through the batter 3 to 4 times to create swirls, but don't overdo it. Alrighty, now I'm going to bang it to release the air bubbles. Now we are ready to put this bread in the oven. Oven's preheated to 350 degrees. We're going to let it bake for about 50 minutes. And I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I have taken my bread out of the oven. The aroma smells heavenly up in this kitchen. Smells just like a cinnamon roll. So now I'm going to let it rest in the pan for about 15 minutes. Alright, my friends, it's been 15 minutes. Now it's time to remove it out the pan, and we're going to place it on some wax paper. Wish me luck. Gorgeous! Came out nicely. And look at that brown sugar cinnamon on top. Now we're going to set this aside while we work on our cream cheese glaze. In my large bowl and sifter, we're going to add in 1.5 cups of powdered sugar. Now we're going to add in a pinch of salt and sift these together, or you can whisk them if you like. And into our powdered sugar and salt, we're going to add in 2 ounces of cream cheese at room temperature, 1/4 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and 2 tablespoons of sweet milk, which is Southern talk for whole milk. And you can add in just a little bit more milk if it's too thick. Now we're going to mix these together on medium speed until they're well blended. Alright, my friends, our cream cheese glaze is done. Now we are ready to give our bread some sugar. And you want to drizzle it on there while the bread is still a little warm. Just drizzle it right on top. Just like that. Isn't that pretty? And there you have it, my friends. Cinnamon roll bread. Doesn't that look good? Look just like a cinnamon roll. So now I'm going to let the glaze harden for a bit, and then I'll place it onto my cake stand. Alright, my friends, the glaze is nice and hardened. So now I want to show y'all the inside. I'm going to cut up a couple of slices using my bread knife. Look at that swirl. Isn't that beautiful? Alright, so now I'm about to fix me up a plate, and then we'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, I have fixed me up a plate, and I'm serving it with some cinnamon sticks on the side. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that texture. Excellent. Look at that. Have a bite. OMG. Tastes just like a cinnamon roll. It is moist, and I can taste the cinnamon sugar, and the cream cheese glaze is luscious and creamy. This cinnamon roll bread is phenomenal, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Cinnamon roll bread delicious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And for more Southern magic in my kitchen, hit that subscribe button and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And please send me an email, ellenshomemadeDelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat, much love, and happy fall!